Pass to Ora. Ora review the ball. Ngitaw ka pasangan si Ora. Ora pass to Montero.
Rebound!
Meron. Nungod. Rebound. May hukom kita. Tukapiso ni ay. Nungod again. Nakuha ni jersey number 73. Pass to jersey number 5. Number 5 to 29. To 5 again. To 29. Nungod. Rebound by jersey number 3. Ora. Ora review the ball. Ora. Nangyari ka pasangan si Ora. Ora. Ako na lang. Paulus Torres. Jersey number 29.
Iyan, Jawas, iyan! 9-2. Side up.
Hey. Okay, inbound by jersey number 19 from Team Archie. Team Archie pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. ISO jersey number 3 to number 13 to 10. 9. No good. Rebound by Team Janaya. Pass to jersey number 6. Leza. No good.
Sugoy!
0-0-1, serve.
Okay, Ryan, jersey number 55, there's
Oy.
a foul. Who's foul ref? Foul, jersey number 29.
Yan nga, oy.
Substitution ref.
Side up.
Out, in, out. Kuwita lang pala mga idol. Warning for fouled out. Jersey number 29 from Team Janaya.
0-0-1, serve.
Third team foul. Third. Inbound by jersey number 8. Pass to jersey
Point.
number 20 Kapin. Intercept up. Tayo violation.
1-0-1, serve.
Inbound by jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 55. Tomera ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 73. Number 73. Intercepted by jersey number 55. Jersey number 55. Pass to jersey number 22. No good. Rebound by jersey number 22. Gyapon.
Second serve.
Ni jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. No good. Rebound by jersey number 10. Boom.
Mula!
And there's a foul. There's a foul. Foul. Jersey number 7. Okay, warning for penalty. Team Janaya.
Point.
Oras na pilit, 5 minutes and 21 seconds. Ang atawang score, 19-14 in favor of Team Janaya. Jersey number 22, jersey number 22, lays up, good for 2.
Klaro yung bulak, laro.
Jersey number 6, dribbling the ball.
Second serve.
Jersey number 6, pass to jersey number 3. 15 to shoot.
0-3-2.
20 number 6,
Tres.
Tumera na 3.
Pasok! 3 points.
Good for 3 by jersey number 6.
1-3-2, serve.
Rostilinho.
Defense!
Point.
Basta kasi boss na siya.
Oh!
Okay, jersey number 8. To jersey number 22.
Serve.
To 19. May
Counted.
kasama pang foul.
Side up.
Foul, jersey number 10. Book.
3-2-1,
Penalty situation.
serve.
Substitution rep. Out. Monteron Gian in. Monteron Mico.
2-1. Porto.
Saya, stepping on the line, bola sa Team Janaya. Atong score, 23-20 City. Labago pa ang Team Janaya. Bustalino.
Karambula.
Bustalino, pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 to Carlo Boc. Carlo Boc.
Pasok!
Number 2.
5-2-2.
Anong maglisod man? Naaway sayon. Jersey number 22. 15 to shoot.
Bukong!
Bola ni
Renzo!
na naman. Carlo Bok.
Content!
Wala din na.
Content!
Substitution ref. Jersey number 3.0. Ilang din team. Jersey number 22. In jersey number 3.
Six to two. Third.
Number 3.
Ko!
Number 3 intercepted by jersey number 7. Pass to Carlo Bok.
Claro, pasa, bantay.
Jersey number 7. To jersey number 73.
Drive!
Ako kailang no good rebound sa ref. Tae violation.
Sos, saya.
Bola sa team Archie. Score by the 3 by the 9. DC 9 block by jersey number 7.
2-6-1. Serve.
Relax.
Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6 to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3 pass to 73. 10 9 8
Shot!
7
Tres!
6 Time
Time out.
out.